Listen, let me explain this to you. It is very easy. First of all, you need to convert this to what? An improper fraction. So now we have 1 over 4 raised to the power of 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. So you have negative 3 over 2. Now, once you have a power and your power is negative, you need to remove this negative. And to do that, you take the inverse of your denominator. Inverse means your 4 comes up and your 1 comes down. So I will now write my 4 and my 1 comes down. That will remove this negative power. I will now have 3 over 2. Now you remember that anytime you have a power and your power is fraction, this your denominator is your square root or your root. So in this case, because this denominator is 2, we are talking about square root. Okay, first of all, 4 divided by 1 is 4. So we have square root. I'm supposed to write this 2 here, but in mathematics, you don't need to add 2 to your square root. So it's going to be square root of 4 raised to the power of this 3. This 3 remains power. It remains on top. It doesn't change its position. So this will give us square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Now, assuming what we have here is 3. This denominator is 3. This becomes cube root. What is cube root? What will you multiply 3 times to get whatever you have here? Okay. Now, square root means what will I multiply 2 times to get 4? That is why the answer is what? 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4. Do you understand? So I would like you to also use this knowledge and get me the value of this.